Hi everyone, my name is Govind and this is the Mingle review and the demonstration video of Mingle software. So first let's talk about what is Mingle software. Mingle is a multi-featured platform where you can put your website so that you will get the website hosting, the cloud storage and the video hosting platform itself. So the three major highlights of Mingle are here, but there are also included features with Mingle software, and you will get all these things on the members area of Mingle. So this is actually the Mingle is you can host your website, you can upload your videos and embed those videos any of your sales page, website or any of the web page. Okay, so now I want to take you to my Mingle review, and here it is my review, which is available with the high quality bonuses, and the bonuses are very authentic and useful for you. The link of this review is included on the description, and you can get all the details by going to this link. So I am in my Mingle review and I want to show you what are the bonuses I am offering you. So here are the bonuses. This is my website name TechEvoke, and the bonuses are: first is Thrive Architect, second is Divi Builder, and rest of the bonuses you can check by going to the link which is available on the description. Also from the Mingle software, the vendor of Mingle provided the high quality bonuses to you, which are mentioned on its official website, which is the sales page and where you will buy the software. Here are the bonuses which are clearly mentioned. First bonus is Mingle bonus 1. Get full access to an entire back catalog of over $1,000 worth of 3 done for you money making affiliate campaigns. So these bonuses you will get just after purchasing of Mingle software. So don't forget to check these bonuses also, and the rest of the bonuses are only available for the launch period, and the launch period of Mingle is 31st July to 31st July to 4th August. Okay, so this is the launch date and you can mark this date, and don't delay if you really gonna buy the Mingle software. So not further delay, just come to the members area of Mingle. So I am in the members area of Mingle. I have login it, and this is the dashboard, and here are various options, various features available of Mingle. So one by one I am covering all these things, what are these and how you can get benefit, and how you can use Mingle software. So first of all I am going to the cloud storage. This cloud storage needs to sign up separately. So here are the sign up. So I have already signed up with this cloud storage of Mingle. So here are the cloud storage. What does mean the cloud storage? Cloud storage means you can put your PDF, you can put your JPG images, any type of images, and you can put any type of documents that you want to share, or you want to put any of your website or use any on any of your website. So this is like Google Drive, but without any short limit. So here you can see the limit of this cloud storage is 100 GB. Okay, so this is enough for you. I think in Google Drive you will get only 15 GB storage, and the storage is count your Gmail also and other things also, but it only counts the files you upload here. Okay, so this is very good thing, and just for example I want to show you how I can upload the file here. So I am uploading my image, one of the image, this is uploading here, and after upload complete you can share this image anywhere. Okay, so just I have to click right click, and then I will get the get share link. Okay, so this is the link, and there are the shareable links restrictions. You can also put the restrictions so that your file should be protected, or you want to do anything with your file. So allow editing means anyone can delete this image. So if you want to get only the link, then this link is now here, and I can open it anywhere. I can use this image anywhere where the images can be put only by the link. So this is my image. So you can see how I can upload my stuffs so that I can get benefited. Okay, so this is the cloud storage, and the second one is upload videos. So this is a video platform where you don't have to buy Vimeo subscription, you don't have to buy any other Vistia subscription and other video hosting platform where you have to pay monthly fee or annual fee to put your videos. But with the Mingle, you only have to pay single amount of fee only for one time, and you will get benefited these all features. Okay, so here you can upload your video. So I'm uploading my one of the video that is, so now you can see that my video is uploaded here, and you can use this video, you can share the link, also you can embed this link. Okay, so I'm opening this, and by opening this video you can share the link. This is the copy button, and also you can embed it to any of your website, any of your sales page, any of your landing page where you want to put this video. Okay, so this is very interesting thing, and you don't have to pay for any extra dollar to any of the video hosting platform where the monthly fee required, the early fee required. So this is a very good option which is available only on Mingle, and these two I have covered, and I think you understand very much. And now come to the next module of Mingle, which is thumbnail creator. And you very well know what is thumbnail and how you can create this. So I'm creating a new thumbnail, and you can put the size of that thumbnail. I'm leaving it as it is. So you can upload any of your image. So I'm uploading an image from the my computer. So here is the image, Mingle review. Okay, so if you want to create a cover photo or any of the thumbnail, so what you can do, the Mingle review, and I can draw any of the thing here. I'm selecting the color, and I can draw. This is the drawing option, and also you can add any of the text here. So add text, clicking by add text, you can drag it. First I have to put some text here, Mingle review, and then you can change the color of this thing. Okay, so I am changing the color with purple, and now I want to move this to here and apply. And now what you can do, filtration. So after filtration you can apply any of the template here. So you can see how it is. So you have to first cut the other things. Okay, so this is the black and white, and you can see how effective this is. So this is fully the thumbnail editor, and you can use any of these features to create your thumbnail. So this is the graphic designing tool which is available on the Mingle, and this is quite interesting to create your thumbnail in just seconds. Okay, so this is it, and the other options are also very beneficial. You will get 20,000 stock assets here. What are these assets which are available on Mingle? first is stock videos bundle, quotes images, background audios, custom graphic icons. So I have faced many of the problem, and the one major problem I have faced in my digital marketing career and the online marketing career, which is background audios. I day by day I Google, I search on YouTube for the background audio so that I can use on my videos background audio. Okay, so this is quite interesting, and you can also go for only the single module. Okay, if you don't want any of the cloud storage, if you don't want any of the video storage, you can go just for any of the stock assets, just because the price of Mingle is only $17 for the sales period time. Okay, so don't delay, and you will get all these features with just single $17. Okay, so now I am going to stock assets, and then I am now going to screen recorder. You can download the bundle, you will get the zip file, and you can unzip that file, and you will get all the stuff, all the assets on your computer. Okay, so this is not the big deal for you, you can download anytime. Now come to the next part, which is screen recorder, and this is the ordinary screen recorder, just like you use any other screen recorder, OBS screen recorder, or from any of the video editor you can record your screen. So this is not a big deal for you, and I am not explaining this, because if I explain all the modules here, then the video will be very long. And so now come to the SEO tool. This is very beneficial. You don't have to go for any other platform and Google for anything. Here I am explaining you some of the SEO tools: meta tag generator, meta tag analyzer, keyword density checker. Also you have an article, and you don't know how much the keyword density should be, then you can use this software for your article. And this is the word counter, plagiarism checker. Most of the marketers, business owners spend many more dollars on plagiarism checker, so you don't have to pay extra penny for this. You can come to the Mingle and use plagiarism checker. So here are a bunch of options available, and you can use these softwares with only one-time payment of Mingle. Okay, so this is the SEO tool, and now come to the most effective part of this Mingle software, which is the web hosting. You will get the web hosting for host your website, and you don't need to pay extra dollar for this. Just you have to put your domain name here, your username and email ID, and then submit. And in just 4 hours you will get an email with the login credentials of your web hosting, where you can host your website freely with Mingle. So this is very interesting thing. Just you have to pay only $17, and you will get web hosting also for lifetime. So here you have to submit, and then you will get the hosting details in just 4 hours. This will not take all 4 hours, you will get within 4 hours. Okay, so this is it for the Mingle software. All the modules I have covered and I have explained you, and now you know very well what is the worth of Mingle. So if I am asking you what will be the worth for this much of module, Google Drive cloud storage, and you will buy the additional storage except 15 GB. And if you go to the Vimeo subscription, monthly subscription or early subscription, and if you go to the web hosting and pay for the plagiarism checker and all the SEO tools, pay for the stock assets and the graphic designing tool. So how much you have to pay for this? You don't have to pay that much of dollars, you just have to pay this much of amount, and you will get all these things in one dashboard. So I hope you will clear now what is Mingle and what is its worth. You can also go to the training of Mingle and also the support system available here. If you face any of the query, any of the problem with this software, you can go for training and support. So this is it for the Mingle review and the demonstration of this software. Don't forget to check my bonuses which are available on the Mingle review. This is my website and the link is available on the description of this video. And this is it for the Mingle review. Thank you.